this is Unikyo again. So today I'm reviewing the Battle for Crystal Castle book. So this is basically the summary. So the summary of this book is Dramon the Mouse went into the Battle for Crystal Castle book, and she met the Queen Blossom. She told Dramon that the Harmony Stone was stolen by Invisibles. Winglet, the princess, Drawn, the tiger, Nectar, the dragon, and Dora, the dragon tremor, went to the land of 7 secrets. So to get the magical crown to defeat the invisible army. So at the end, the Invisibles were defeated. The Harmony was back in its case. Winglet turned into the new Empress, and Dramon went back to Mouse Town. So you could basically know that Dramon's riding on the tiger. And the reason why I read this book, because it's exciting, magical, and it has lots of pages, but it's mostly easy to read, and like has 314 pages. So it's like a lot of pages, but it's very good to read. It's like exciting. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful cereal box so you can see it's beautiful, keep watching, and if you like this video, subscribe. Hello everyone, my name is Unikyo, and today I'm going to do a book report of the Battle for Crystal Castle. We're going to make a cereal box that you just buy from Costco. So you can see that I have a cereal box here, and you need a white piece of paper to tape it all around with tape and scissors and cardboard. What we did so far, I put on the maze, stick on the princess, and here we need name, date, book title, author, publisher, and ISBN here, and how many stars you like it. And I made some decorations here. This is my wings with the flower in my hair. So, and this is the desk with the front. I did not do the front though. And we put on the mouse who is riding the tiger and a dragon here. I'm gonna do some decorations here. So, we did finally. So you need to draw some pictures that are related to the book, add some details, and then this is the front page of my book report. Put the title on and write a summary of the book. On the side, you will have to write what's your favorite character, what interests you. So I write the details, and you can add settings here and draw a picture that's also related to the book. I draw a butterfly because there's a butterfly mask. So, and here I stick gems finally, but not least. Stick gems and add details here. So you will know who is it. This is Flamelet, and this Flamelet and Queen. She turned to Queen. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.